Hey guys, we're going to compare this with this. Who do you think is going to win? We'll be right back. Hey guys, Joeteck here from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be comparing two types of analog headphones. We're going to be doing the BlasterX H7 Tournament Edition. These headphones here, and we're going to compare them to the HyperX Cloud Pro Gaming headset, which is these. We're going to compare the two. So this is the BlasterX Tournament Edition headphones. Comes with the removable microphone. This set of headphones could either be analog or USB. It comes with the adapter built on the line itself, okay? But we're going to be testing this in analog mode. So we're going to be using the included cable that comes with that, and then a split out that goes between the mic and headphones, and going to a Sound Blaster Z sound card. This is the HyperX. This does not have USB capability. This is solely analog. All right, so you have the mic and speaker or headphone input on this. Also, the microphone is removable on this headset as well. So if you don't want to use the built-in microphone, you can simply just unplug it like I just did. The look and feel of it is really nice. I like the braided cabling. We're going to be testing the highs and lows as well, connected also to the Sound Blaster Z sound card. I have to say, the headphones themselves, the way they feel around your head is nice. I like the way the Sound Blaster H7 Tournament Edition feels. It goes completely around my ear. HyperX, they do as well. They have a nice solid feel to it, nice snug against my head, everything. However, when it comes to sound quality, you're going to be blown away. Now, if I had to choose between either the Sound BlasterX H7 Tournament Edition or the HyperX Cloud, I would actually pick the HyperX Cloud.
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
The bass response on these are unbelievable. I was kind of set back a little bit, to be honest with you. But if you're looking for an analog set of headphones, such as this kicks some major people, and they're relatively inexpensive. What's really nice also is that it comes with cloth padding, and these are the cloth earpieces. Probably not going to give you a good solid, crisp feel around your ears. You may be able to hear other noises with this. This is leather or pleather. You might get a better seal with those. But I'm really impressed. Both headsets come with the converters. You can go from, because they both can be used with either the Xbox 360, the Xbox One, the PlayStation. Both of these will work perfectly fine on either system. I also recorded microphones too, and I'm going to play them right now. This is the Creative Labs H7 Tournament Edition headphones, recording with the included microphone. This is the HyperX Cloud Pro Gaming headset, recording with the included microphone. If you're looking for headphones, you need analog only, you're coming out of your sound card, HyperX is the way to go. If you need a USB set of headphones, the Sound BlasterX H7 Tournament Edition is your answer. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,